So hello everyone, welcome again to the JK lectures. And it has been more than 2 years I haven't uploaded any video lectures in this channel, and I'm kind of reviving this channel again, and I will try to continue this time to upload video lectures in a regular basis. So let me introduce myself, where I'm currently and what I'm doing right now. So after my masters from IIT Roorkee, I recently joined a laboratory in United States in the University of Texas at El Paso, and it has been a semester. Means I already finished one semester of my PhD program, and I was thinking how I can contribute back to whatever I have learned through all these years. And I have been teaching for a long time in an institute, and I thought I should continue teaching the biology or the chemistry I always wanted to teach, and I always enjoyed. So it has been a kind of routine lab work and experiments I'm running in my lab, and I think I should push my limits and start teaching again, because it gives me immense joy whenever I teach something to students. And it has been a long time I haven't interacted with any of the students apart from some American students who have been I'm working for some lab and teaching courses. So I was thinking this for a long time, that I should teach again. And yesterday I immediately get this thought, why should not I use my office and start using this whiteboard to make video lectures again. So I won't be teaching anything today, but this is just an informatory reminder to everyone who have subscribed my channel, because I will try to upload more and more video lectures related to biology or medicinal chemistry, or whatever I can do, because depends upon the request. Because a lot of students are contacting me nowadays, sir, we really miss your video lectures and in-person classes, whatever I used to teach. And also I also want to share my research journey, whatever I am doing in my lab in this university. And I'm working with some neurological disorders, to be specific, like neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer and Parkinson. And we'll discuss along the way when we start teaching and discussing the things. So after 2 or 3 days, you can expect a video lecture in the same channel, and you can request for some topics if I can teach and elaborate it to you. So that's all for this video. And yeah, something is happening, and there are informative videos that are in the lane that will come up soon. Thank you for subscribing this channel, and thank you for staying connected me for a long time. I appreciate it. Thank you.